The Christmas season is always the time of year filled with so much joy and hope, the spirit of giving and celebrations with family and friends. Yet, that may also be the very reason why those suffering deep heartache, loss, illness, or struggle during this season may feel the weight of their burdens even more deeply. Maybe many feel alone or forgotten. Maybe some wonder why God isn't answering their prayers or why His answers seem so long in coming. St. John chapter 1 verse 10 says, "He was in the world, and the world came into being through Him. Yet the world did not know Him. He came to what was His own, and His own people did not accept Him." God came to dwell among us. From His birth to His death, He has identified Himself with those on the margins, those who are alone, those who suffer. The message of Christmas is that God knows of the wounds we are carrying. He knows the pain we are feeling. He knows how much we are trying to let go and fix things in our own power. As letter to the Hebrews chapter 4 verse 15-16 says, "For we do not have a high priest who is unable to sympathize with our weaknesses, but we have one who in every respect has been tested as we are, yet without sin. Let us therefore approach the throne of grace with boldness, so that we may receive mercy and find grace to help in time of need." So, let's set aside our fears and move towards Him in faith, because to all who received Him, who believed in His name, He gave power to become children of God. He brings that steadfast love about which He taught when He spoke of the Good Samaritan, who healed raw wounds with wine and oil and gave a pledge of future care for which He paid full price. As the true children of God, let us carry this healing love of the Good Samaritan to those in need. Let us find our mandate in the words of Jesus, "Truly I say to you, as you did it to one of the least of these my brethren, you did it to me." Saint Kuriakos Elias Chavra says, "Let there be no day in your life in which you did no good to others." In this Christmas season, by becoming the hands and feet of our Lord, may we be a welcoming, loving, healing presence, a living gospel to the other.